kicker, all you gotta do is tuck. You know. They're going that way. Which way are they going? This way? They're going that way?
No, you need to gather around.
Gather around. Gather around. Oh, I thought they were going that way. I was like, well, where are they going? Oh,
Well, I saw you working that horse out there. I said, look at Heidi working that animal.
I ain't getting down in there.
I'm going to get, hey, I got you on tape here. We'll.
Huh? You okay? Yeah. She just
get hurt. Oh, shit.
That.
She's being bad. She's going into the Sani-can. Man, she's ticked off, isn't she?
I can't watch.
Rick, if you don't get up here,
I can't watch.
we're gonna have a rodeo.
Yeah, they're having a rodeo, all right.
He'd make Rick going on her. Oh, Heidi's going to get hurt.
Shoot, she can handle that horse.
What time's the ball gonna be there? 11. What's the good times? Anybody got a good time?
Yeah. Hey. 11:25. Time to go.
Oh, you knothead.
He is not hitting.
Nope. Not on the dirt road. On the Kingston road we night.
Can you stand, man?
We're head up right there, flagging off the rack.
There is no mountain.